No,
ये मैच तो
Gautami.
नशा है, that's true. रोहन जोशी will be very happy right now.
फंस गई हूँ मैं।
This is also good design, no? These 4
हाँ,
pawns
अच्छा बना है उसने.
and these 3 pawns.
उसका बिशप C8 को अगर बात किया तो वो बोलेगा कि भाई मेरा फ्यूचर का क्या.
This
और
is like Munawar Faruqi, this bishop.
बिशप H3 पे भी.
Bishop h3 पे भी bro. Only 2 minutes with Abhyuday. And this time तो draw because of insufficient material भी नहीं हो सकता है.
नहीं, वो मार नहीं सकता सब कुछ.
You have to sacrifice one. कभी।
Queen E4. And
Okay.
actually the funny part is Abhyuday is taking more time and Gautami also has a better position. So this time Gautami is slaying it everywhere.
On
On
point.
time, on position.
Yes, moves in the world.
Oh
free
my
queen.
god, hangs the queen.
Free queen. Free queen.
You kill one of mine.
Will she take it? I don't think so.
Ah.
She's thinking.
अभ्युदय को ही समझ गया कि उसने ब्लंडर किया है. I guess.
Oh, she doesn't take it.
She doesn't. एक पोल लगाओ ना, who will win this game का.
Bro, of course WGM Gautami has all the support right now.
You don't have to think.
We don't have to think. That's the strategy here.
मैं क्या करूँ? I don't have any move left. Like my वो सब गोटियां अटक चुकी है.
जल्दी खेलना 94 91 to 9. Gautami G is winning 91 to 9, bro.
Sacrifice. What are this?
2 minutes. Oh, he has 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes for Gautami, 1 minute 25 seconds for Abhyudaya.
Now it's going close. Now they both know from the previous experience that अब जल्दी खेलना है.
समय और वो क्वीन है ना F4 पे, वो भी 3 मुंह से हैंगिंग है.
Oh
किसी
my-
को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है.
Big blind award for mutual blindness. No one's guessing, bro. No one's guessing in this match, you know. The highest score is only 3 moves have been guessed correct in this, I think. 5 now.
चैट में सब लोग बोल रहे हैं, आर यू गेसिंग? आई कैन नॉट गेस. आई एम अनेबल टू गेस. Rook B4.
I
Oh,
can't
man.
come front and kill you, na. It can only kill diagonally, right? I have no idea how to play this game.
Guys, all those who are enjoying this stream, please do like it. Please also consider subscribing to this channel. Bringing some unbelievable chess content here. Is
1 minute versus 1 minute 26, Sagosha.
जल्दी खेल.
Jaldi khel. Oh my god. Rook F8.
both of them actually helping each other, right? By reminding कि जल्दी खेलो, because generally you want the opponent to lose. But look at the rook on A5. वो खुद आया उधर, फिर बिशप ने उसको ब्लॉक कर दिया. अब तुम कहीं नहीं जा सकते. उसको लॉक कर, मतलब
Acha,
so
दूसरा-
nice.
Oh, dude, the queen is.
Oh, the
entering.
rook is hanging. Rook is hanging on H8,
Who
and
cares?
Gautami has 1 minute, and Abhyuday has 53 seconds. It's getting closer this time. I think Abhyuday has learned from his mistake last time कि थोड़ा fast खेलना है.
Yeah. And the rook attacks the queen.
Nice move by Gautami.
What will happen? 45 seconds.
Queen G7. Good move. Time will play a crucial role because I don't think they'll be able to checkmate.
Oh man.
Oh, takes. She's chopped off the pawn.
Check coming in. Check with the queen now. I don't know. Queen G8 check maybe.
नहीं, but knight है.
Oh,
Queen H8.
check. Good move.
King D7.
Or maybe rook comes back.
Rook can also come back.
Only 40 seconds. Bye.
Oh,
Both equal. A
free
nice
piece,
sacrifice.
Free piece. Take it, Abhyuday. Take it.
It's like जब कोई तुम्हारे पीछे भाग रहा होता है तो तुम बीच में चेयर डाल देते हो, टेबल डाल देते हो ना, वैसा है कि बस डाल दिया एक नाइट, उससे और टाइम लेता है ओपोनेंट.
Exactly. वो भागते हैं chase में. Queen E7. Now it's like so many pieces are hanging on the board. Knight is hanging here, knight is hanging there, bishop on H3 is hanging. So many things. Oh, she's taken on C6. Sorry, he's taken on C6. I am getting confused. Queen takes
28
C5.
seconds versus 19 seconds. 26, 25. Oh my god.
Queen F8. Currently, black is better. Ahead on time. Abhyuday, you need to move. You have 10 seconds. 10,
10
9,
seconds.
8,
I will win if you don't do
He
something.
gives up the queen. Queen
up the queen.
takes.
Fast,
Gautami
fast,
Just
wins.
6 seconds. 6 seconds.
Rukni 4.
I'm black, right?
Samay.
Jaldi.
Gautami is going to win this.
Jaldi, she's gonna
Oh,
win
but
this
check.
movie.
Check on this.
Do something. I have 15 seconds.
Abhyuday has given up too many pieces on the
Jaldi.
F4
No,
square.
10
I only
seconds.
know my king right now.
Play!
Jaldi.
Gautami, you
6,
move.
7,
जल्दी
6,
कर तेरा
6,
time.
5.
तेरा चल रहा है.
तेरा चांस है
Okay.
You lost.
Chance. Oh, Gautami has won it.
Black wins. I
Gautami
win.
has
Wins
won
by
it.
timeout.
What?
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 I don't know what happened. Don't ask me.
Congratulations.
I'll
Nobody-
be asking them.
ये
No.
कैसे क्या हुआ इसमें
हुआ क्या? Like, can you explain?
Gautami, you have won it because Abhyuday ran out of time.
Yeah.
कोई मूव्स ही नहीं दिख रहे थे क्या खेलता मैं
अरे वो किंग आपका यू ट्राइंग टू प्रॉब्ली मूव द किंग तो आपके किंग के पास इतने सारे अटैक्स हो रहे थे कि इट कुडंट मूव टू सो मेनी स्क्वायर्स बट यू शुड हैव जस्ट प्लेड एनीथिंग लाइक रैंडमली सो गौतमी जी ये क्या ही आपने मतलब दोनों गेम में यू डिड द सेम स्ट्रेटजी यू प्लेड यू वेंट इनटू अ हॉरिबल पोजीशन एंड यू एंडेड अप विनिंग वाह
This is some different magic.
तो आज
आज के
से
बीच में पूछ रही थी किंग कौन सा है क्वीन कौन सा है सोचो उससे हार गया मैं
आज से गौतमी जी वी विल कॉल यू WGM वुमेन ग्रैंड मास्टर गौतमी जी
Yes. चलो I have a
Officially.
nickname. कहीं तो मेरे को एक्सेप्ट
हाँ.
किया गया है. मेरे जीनियस को रिकॉग्नाइज किया गया है.
You know, we had like in previous editions of COB, Abish Matthew थे.
Please, respect.
Sorry, उनको Grandmaster का title दिया था GM because
हाँ.
he used to play fast and he used to move his king very quickly. And today we saw that glimpses in Gautami. Like she was
Oh.
also playing in a very
I'm
similar way.
Future.
क्या बात
तो बहुत बहुत मतलब वी आर थ्रिल्ड टू हैव यू हियर WGM गौतमी जी नमस्कार जी प्लीज आते रहिएगा हमें ब्लेस
अरे
करते
अरे पैर
रहिएगा
मत छुइए.
एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेकिंग आउट टाइम टुडे फ्रॉम बिजी शेड्यूल आई नो कि आपको
अरे
विश्वनाथन आनंद को भी सिखाना है अभी गौतमी जी बट थैंक यू फॉर
उनका
टेकिंग
कॉल वेटिंग पे है. जल्दी कीजिए.
जल्दी, हाँ.
विल नॉट टेक मच टाइम थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग यार
थैंक यू
This
सो
was
मच
so
बहुत
much
मजा आया थैंक यू फॉर
fun.
So
हैविंग
Gautami, tomorrow you have to play another game. Are you excited for it? Because you moved to the next round.
I am very excited क्योंकि अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ भी हो सकता है इस गेम में.
हाँ.
तो क्या पता ऐसे ही मैं दूसरे बंदे को अपने गंदे मूव से इतने कंफ्यूज कर दूं कि मैं फिर जीत जाऊं.
पीसेस के नाम सीख लें आज इसने एटलीस्ट तो थोड़ी इंप्रूवमेंट है कल के लिए एटलीस्ट
That's true.
all right thank you so much for joining guys thank you so much bye bye take
थैंक यू
care
सो मच बाय बाय
Bye-bye.
बाय
See you.
थैंक यू
guys
Yeah,
that
bye-bye.
was
Yes.
that was Slay Point both very sweet and humble people and